Madhubani paintings are an important part of Indian culture. They are also known as Mithila art. Madhubani literally means forest of honey. It is a divine and natural art that originated around the Mithila and Madhubani areas of Bihar in India. They are drawn with a fixed theme and symbols. The main symbol of Mithila is fish. Fish stands for fertility, good luck and procreation, whereas peacocks usually indicate love, religion and romance. This art portrays nature and mythology depicting various events like marriages and the cycle of birth.
Process of making this painting. I have used water-based poster colors on canvas. Round tip brushes are used to fill the colors. I start with sketching the border. Continuous geometrical designs or nature-inspired motifs can be used. The bigger your canvas is, the wider the border should be. Conceptualize the layout of the painting. Start with the main character and fill the remaining space later. The idea is that abstract pattern should support the main theme. I have drawn a fish which represents fertility, good luck and devotion. Repeated patterns are made to add detailing. There is no fixed rule to it, and any pattern that blends well with the theme can be used. No space is left blank, and it should be filled with detailing. Choice of colors is very crucial, so get yourself familiar with the color wheel to know more about color combinations. The border looked a little too simple, so I added further detailing to it. You can leave the background as filled with single color, but Madhubani painting is all about intricate patterns. So I added a repeated pattern with black color. I have used a fine tip round brush all over the background.
So the painting is complete now and ready to be framed. You can decorate your home or your workplace with it, or give it to someone as a present. Till the 60s, this unique and rare art used to be done on freshly plastered mud walls of houses in Madhubani village. It was done basically by women during festival or other important occasions. The demand of this art in other forms has increased in the modern world. Madhubani art has been received immense commercialization. It can be seen on saris, dupattas, salwar, suits, etc. Now, it is being created on paper, cloth, canvas, wall hanging too. Do you know there is a museum called Mithila Museum in Japan? Yes, people in Japan are familiar with Indian Madhubani art and appreciate it in many other countries as well. Madhubani painting also prevent deforestation. Are you surprised? Yes. This folk art is not just a decoration on the wall, it is also used for worship. Artists in Bihar draw paintings depicting Hindu deities on trees, and those who hold strong religious beliefs prevent others from chopping those trees down. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please let me know by hitting that like button and sharing this video with all your friends and relatives. Keep watching my channel Design by Misha. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.